How to see the first message on Facebook Messenger without scrolling. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. So, first of all, you need to navigate to Messenger and make sure you log in or sign into your account. So, once you have logged in, you will directly reach on this chats page. So, you can easily open a chat. So, for demo, let's open this chat. And suppose I have gone through the app by scrolling the old messages. And now, if you want to see the first method, simply by without scrolling, you can easily hit the arrow button which is showing on your screen. Now, as you can see that we have successfully seen the first message on Messenger without scrolling. So in this way, you can easily find out the first message on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.